Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I am so happy I made it. And so it's beautiful there, right? So I choose this background. But I want to talk about this origami sonobi ball. I do not know. I call it origami spiky balls. And it took me 3 months, and finally I figure out how it is made. And this one is a wrong one. Majority of it is good, but there are some that is not right. So the shape is a little bit odd, right? It's not very, very symmetrical. You can see this one is peeking down, going down. Now let me explain it. So if you want to make it, we can do it together because it's so cool. If you do not want to do it, just do not spend your time, waste your time on it. So the mathematic of it is that every 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This orange one have 5 spikes, right? 5 points. And every of these 5 spikes connected with a 6 spikes. So this orange have 5, and at this point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. Every of these 5 spikes connected with 6. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Every 5 is connected with 6. And here is the 6th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And every 6th one connected with 5 spikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the 6th one. And here is a 5 one. And here is the 6th one connected with 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, connected with 5, 6, 6, 5. And every 5 one again connect with 6. So this is a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. Now let me find a 5. This one is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every 5 one connect with 6. 6. This 5 one connect with 6. This 5 one connect with 6. So, so it's at the end of the day, it's symmetrical. It's a global symmetrical. And I started by doing 2 parts. First part and the second part. The bottom part, I start to build the bottom part. 5 spikes and then a layer of this. Actually, I did the layer completely in green. And the red one is the connecting point. You can see the red one is even symmetrical. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are actually symmetrical. Let me turn it back. See, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is symmetrical. And between these 2, yes, this is a camera. Okay, between these 2, they are connected by the zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag. So it's hard to explain. Do I make any sense? So it is symmetrical in that way. So I start to build this orange one and build 5-piece green one, and the red one is the connecting point. A total of 90 pieces. 10-piece orange, 10-piece orange, totally 20-piece orange. Okay, 90 including 20 orange, and the green 50 pieces, and the red 20 pieces. 20 orange, 20 red, 50 green, a total of 90 pieces. And the majority of work is in folding these little pieces and the connecting part. When you understand, it takes 20-30 minutes around it. It cannot be less. It just does not stay. At the very beginning, I put tape, and when I am done, I take out the tape. Otherwise, it's just difficult to fold. And I use a relatively strong paper and heavyweight paper, so it stays better. But its own weight, dripping it down, is not easy. And I like it very much. I will keep on using this kind of paper. And it's the making, folding of these little pieces take me something like 3 hours something, and the assemblage, the final assembling takes me around 30 minutes. I am so proud of myself, so proud of myself, so happy. If you want to do it, we can do it together. Make a comment, let me know if you want to do it or not. And we can do 3-piece one, 3 pieces of this, make a special shape, 6-piece, 9-piece, 12-piece, 30-piece, different kind of combination. You can make different kind of shape. Very interesting. Sorry, this is too much. It's too confusing, right? I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. I'm so happy.